The federal government came in and got a hold of your vehicle before you did. So the check engine light comes on for emission purposes only. Now, it may be associated with a run problem or it may not be associated with a run problem. All right, so there could be hundreds, maybe even thousands of different codes stored in the computer causing this light to come on.
Okay.
Is it running good?
Yeah. Matter of fact, yesterday, because it was running rough about a month or so ago, I bought new coils and spark plugs for it. So yesterday I put those on, thinking maybe that might have been the problem, and it's still on.
It could be just an emissions malfunction, something with the evaporative emission system, which is very common. We could have an issue, maybe the ECM needs to be programmed, or maybe there's an issue with the throttle body, which, by the way, is pretty common. So the only way to know for sure would be to get someone to plug into the data link connector under the dash and extract the codes and go from there.
Oh, I got one of those. I got one of those little handheld ones that I can plug in there. That'll give me a code there?
Yes, sir. You got it.
All right. Well, if this doesn't work, I already got an appointment with Hyundai in Fort Wayne tomorrow. So 10 o'clock. So they'll figure it out if I can't between now and then. So.
You got it.
All right. Well, hey, I didn't even think about plugging that thing in there and see what kind of codes I got. So, hell, because sometimes you can clear with that thing. With that thing, you can clear the codes and you're good to go.
That's correct. So, yep.
All right. Well, hey, I appreciate that.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. Good luck. Awesome.
Information, so.
Glad to hear it. You bet. You're welcome. You too.